Okay, we are continuing trying to learn about a lot of this stuff. So I have purchased a 32-ounce jug of what is supposed to be purple non-sulfur bacteria. I purchased it off of Amazon, about 20 bucks I think it was. And the question is there anything in there besides just, some liquid? Because the vast majority of people, of course, do not have microscopes and do not look at this kind of stuff, whether it's nematodes or whatever else. So I want to find out whether there's actually anything here, and if there is, can we identify what it is? So I've just put 2 drops on the slide. We're at 40. I don't expect to see anything there. And I'm connected. This is a BioVid camera through an LW Scientific microscope. I'm connected via USB, not HDMI, USB to the computer, because that way I can at least see it and don't have to record it directly onto a USB drive and then try to remember what I'm doing. So I'm talking as I'm actually manipulating the microscope. I hope at some point to be able to get HDMI directly into the computer so that maybe we can do that. Don't have that capability at the moment. So here we're at 100. And again, don't really expect to see a whole lot. This is bacteria, not nematodes. They're little, they're small. So now we're up to 400. And if I can find a focus where we can see anything. Okay. Okay, so we're at 400. And since I do have 600 dry capability, we'll pop on up to that. There we are. So we do have something in here alive, but I would expect that off of tap water as well. That cluster, if I remember, supposedly those clusters can be an indication of it. I am still learning about this stuff. I just know it's supposed to be good stuff to be putting in compost and all that kind of stuff. This is being sold as something to put in a pond to help remediate a pond, clean it up. I'm going to try the epi. I don't remember if it's supposed to be visible or not. I don't see anything glowing. If nothing else, by doing this and recording it, I can come back to it later. And as a record of what was in it. Now, I received this jug today. Gave it a good shake. Poked a little hole in the protective cap. I have no idea how old the jug is. It says it can be stored for up to 2 years. The question is, the product that's in it, how old is it? When was it bottled or jugged? Don't know. I sent a email to the company asking them, is there a way to find out? Because what happens if there's a problem with a batch, and somebody gets a jug and they happen to look at it and it's not what it's supposed to be? How do they know what batch they got it from, when it was manufactured or whatever? So again, we are at 600 dry, just a bright field. I may try to find some stills or some video on the internet and see if I can put a couple of snippets under fair use to kind of compare what I should be seeing, if indeed this is purple non-sulfur bacteria. I also don't know really what the concentration I should be expecting. I'm not going to put the brand just yet because I am not enough of an expert to be trying to call out or blast or advertise a product for somebody, a product. I don't know enough about all this to be considered an authority, especially for, again, either blasting or recommending a specific product. I mean, this is what it is coming out of the jug. So if other people are more familiar with this, either in growing it out themselves or purchasing it and have something to compare against, put it in the comments. How does this look? Is this what you would expect from a $20 for 32 ounces? Is it weak? Is it strong? Is it contaminated? Or is it a really, really good bargain? Let me know. I'm eager to learn.